Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Charles Schwab to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, come here on tradingview.com. Then you need to launch any of the pairs or any of the indices or forex pairs or cryptos chart in front of you. The chart actually doesn't matter. What matters the most is that you are inside this particular chart analysis page. So as you can see, I've currently opened the chart of gold in front of me. So here on this particular page, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom. Now it is going to give you the list of all of the brokers which you can connect here with your TradingView account. So among these, simply look for Charles Schwab. So you can either look for its icon here in the list, or you can use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you can search for Charles Schwab. Now, if you are able to find its icon over here in your region, it is well and good. You just have to click on that and then simply click on the option of connect. After providing your Charles Schwab login credentials with it, you will be able to connect your account with TradingView. But as you can see, this particular option is not available in my region. So if that's the case with you as well, what you can do is you can simply open the Charles Schwab website here in your web browser. So here on this particular tab, so you can provide your login credentials and log in into your account. Now, when you are here, you can launch the chart. For example, let's say you can launch the chart of gold here in it. You can launch the chart of any of the stocks here. So after doing so, what you need to do is you just have to simply just start analyzing it here in your TradingView account. Then after the analysis, when you want to punch the trades, you can just simply come here inside your Charles Schwab account and then you can place the order. So this way you will be able to use Charles Schwab and TradingView together. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.